Mike Lester CH. Mike Lester CH. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I decided to wait for 2 more weeks because I actually had other orders from Decathlon. So I had 3 packages all in all, and then the last 2 packages arrived this week. This one just this noontime, so I'm gonna be unboxing them as well. So let's open this one first. This one that arrived today. Oops. Okay, it's done this way. Okay, alright. I had 14 items for this one. The first one is this shirt. Okay, I guess I'm gonna have to remove my shirt to try it. Oh, look good. Actually bought different kinds of shirt. Some of them are for tennis and others for walking or trekking. This one is so nice. Wow, fits me very well. And it's quite light. So I have another color for my, actually I have different kinds of shirts, but I just generally wear them for tennis. And then I prefer something light and good, especially every time I sweat. Nice one. Cool. Okay, let's have another one. This one is disturbing me. I'll just remove this. Actually, I have as I've said in my previous post, I have an injury. Here's the other shirt. It's also actually small size, but looks big. Normally, I have the medium size. Wow. Fits good as well. So I decided this color because I often have the black, red, and dark blue colors. So I just like to have something else. This is good also. Fits well. Oops. Then I have another one. Small size. Medium. Oh, okay. They're different sizes. But this is actually like orange. Nice also, so fits very well. Oh, ding. And then I also bought a pants. This is actually Coupe, so I will try this later on and during my review, but this is how it looks like. So it's khaki, and I do need new pants, short pants. Okay, there's another one here. So this is for walking or some trekking, and then this is also I also need, because I don't really have these kinds of pants or shorts. So this is good. It's shiny, so this will, I guess this will not absorb if there's rain. I have many gifts from already. So these are actually towels. I have some hair towel because I have 2 office mates who uses this, and then I have others as well. Alright. Okay. Ooh, many, huh? 1, 2, 3. I'm not sure what this is, but I'll check. Ah, yeah, I remember. I ordered this one as well. This is another shirt. Okay, let's fit this one. This is actually quite light. shiny, but it fits very well. So I know my size when it comes to my upper body, but in my pants I'm not so sure. So this is actually what I call the microfiber towels. This will be my Christmas gifts. So it's small, but it's good. Good looking. Alright. This is already a good gift, Christmas gift. We have many here. One. And then, what's this? Thank you. We hope you enjoy your new Decathlon products. Feel free to get in touch with our customer happiness team at Contact Philippines Decathlon. So I will just have my office mates to choose which one they prefer. There are actually 3 for the head. Good Christmas gifts. Actually not expensive as well. Alright, we're done with the first box. Let's have the next box. Okay, it's open already. Let's check the other things I bought. Yeah, I bought a bag because I need a small bag where I can use it when I go for the beach. Actually noticed my friend has a bag this size, and then it's really good if you have this as well, if you like to travel for short ones, like going to the beach, have some walk, visit a place, or yeah, this is very good and very useful. So I bought the right size. Good. And then I also bought this one because I often travel with my work and I need some things to place my toiletries, like for example some shampoo, toothpaste, others. So I have already something here. The other one I bought is not needs to be replaced already, so you just have to do this. So this will be useful when I'll be traveling far again. So maybe buy one, this will be of use. Yeah, good, I have this because I need one. I normally have of course for when I have play tennis, I need something to quench me, and then I need something to replace as well, because like every other day I play tennis when I'm available, so I have different kinds of containers for my water. Good, this is all cheap. And I bought another a tennis shirt. They don't have the medium size, so I bought the large size. And let's see if it's still okay for my size. It's quite a loose compared to the other clothes, but this is okay because I feel comfortable. It's quite light, and then yeah, my body is quite transitioning from medium to large, but I'm actually in between that, so this is good still. And what else? Yeah, their bag again. Thank you for this bag. Woo! I have a new shorts for tennis. Good, because I only have 2, and then this would be the third one. I had a dark color, and now I have this one, the white one, so I can have a different option. Nice. And then this is another tennis shirt. This one I normally do not buy with collar for tennis, but I decided to try so that you can see the collar. see if this looks good, because it looks good in picture. Can I see? Let, okay. Yeah, actually fine. Right fit. It's medium size as well. Actually look good. So I guess this was a good choice to buy. Nice. Then I have another one here. Oh, yeah, because I have an injury here, I decided to buy one because the other one is not so good anymore. And yeah, so trying it on this way. I'm not so sure how to put it on. Maybe trying. Let's just say it's done this way. Okay. I have decor veins, so the injury is actually here, but the brace is actually here. Anyway, I'll see. I'll figure out how to use this one. But good find. And okay, I still have to. Yeah, this is a golf shirt. I decided to buy this one because I like how it looks like in the picture, the website of Decathlon. But yeah, if you ask me if I have tried golf, yeah, I've tried practicing a few years back, and then golf is actually very nice. Oh yeah, this is what is unique about this is this part. Yeah, golf can be it looks easy, but it's quite challenging, especially you are against the elements. Of course, the focus, and then it takes a lot of mental practice for me, and then coordination with your body, and that part I already fail. Also, I had lots of injury from boxing, football, and I thank my former boss for that experience, for teaching me how to do it. Okay, I have last two things. Yeah, this one for the tennis over grip, because I need to replace the grip for my tennis racket. It's already gone, but I have this one. This is a replacement. A goodbye. And the last one is this. Actually, this is for basketball normally, and this for women, but some guys do use this one, like those who have long hair. So I do have some having a long hair, so I would be using it to button here, to tie. Don't know what's the best way to use it, but maybe this way. I will try this later. I don't know how this will work. This is how it looks like. And there are 3 colors. Actually, they say it's women's, but men can use this as well. Okay. So I have dark gray, black, and red, and then perhaps I'll be giving one. If you would ask me why I decided to buy many things from Decathlon, it's because for one, it's not expensive, and then of course it's true to what the Decathlon really said, that it's for everyone. I'm quite satisfied with it. It's when I play, I don't feel much, what they call that, discomfort. Like it's like you don't have to worry about moving around because it's really light, and then especially when you sweat. And then I noticed that it dries right away, the ones I bought already. I'll be giving also a feedback or a review about the things I already bought, and so far most of them would be tennis, because most of the things I bought are for tennis. Yeah, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment to my posts. And this again is Mike Lester CH, and wishing you all advance Merry Christmas. Woo, it's near already. Thank you very much.